Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to control or how to interface a 7-segment display with that of big microcontroller. The simulator which we are using for this interface is the simulide 1.1.0. So how we can interface it out? First of all, we have to search for our microcontroller, so we can drag this bar down, scroll bar, and here we will find our PIC16F microcontrollers. So we will use the famous PIC16F877 microcontroller. So click on it and drag it out, and also need to click on zoom to fit like this. Okay, after this has been done, we need to take our fixed voltage power supply. Why it is so? Because we have to connect our fixed voltage power supply with that of this M-clear pen. So our microcontroller will be enabled. So now we will connect our 7-segment display with that of port B, which is from B0 to B7. So we will go and we will take our 7-segment display. So again we will search for our 7-segment display. So this is our 7-segment display. Okay, and we can connect it via many ways. So I will take the tunnels. So this is my tunnel 1. Copy, paste. Okay, and paste. We are using these tunnels because we don't want to have a huge mess of wires. We will give the same name to 2 tunnels and they will be considered as connected. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will connect it like this. Like this. We also need to take the ground. Ground 0 volt. Okay. Again, we will take tunnels. We will copy and paste these tunnels. We can click on horizontal flip like this. Copy this tunnel out and paste it out like this. This and this and this. So you have to do it at your own so that you will learn it. So rather than to give the whole design, so it is not good for you. Okay, although I can upload the whole design, but it is not good. You have to make it at your own and then you will learn it out properly. So now this is B0, so we will write here IDS B0. Okay, what they said, B0. Okay, right, this is B0 and this must also be B0, so that they both will get so they will be considered as connected. So this is B0, this is B1, this is B2, this is B3, this is B4, this is B5, this is B6. Okay, B0 and B1. And B2. This is B4. This is B5. And this is B6. And this is B7. Okay, now they all are connected properly. Okay, so now our circuit has been completed, and now we will go towards our code. So now I will open micro C, I will go to file, go to new, and then click on new project. And here, standard project, click on next. Here, yes, our project name must be 7 segment my project, like this. Okay, and we will click on next. Yes, we will overwrite it out. We will click on finish. Okay, so this is void main function. Okay, now this is a default function in which we can write our own code here. So first, above void main at the global side here, we will declare unsigned character seg data is seg data is equal to bracket open. Now what is this? And bracket close. Now we have declared a variable which is seg data. You can write any other name of your own choice here instead of seg data. But what actually it is a type of memory storage variable, seg data, okay, in which we can store multiple things at a single time, because we have declared it as the array. And what is array? Array is like a group of the data elements. Okay, these two brackets will denote, these two square brackets will denote that seg data is the array, and it contains multiple elements on specific indexes. Like we can write here 1, we can write here 2, we can write here 3 and 0, and the values on the specific indexes will be stored. Okay, so we have written it. And unsigned character is a type, is a data type. Like character, you must know about the character data type, like in which we can store ABC, 0, 1, 2 and all these things. Okay, but in the character format. So here we will write 0x 3f. Now what is this thing? This is actually the mapping for 7 segment display. Okay, like whenever we will write here 0, it means that 0x3f. 0x3f will go and we can print 0. Okay, on 7 segment display. 0x06, it will print 1. Okay, like this. So like this. 0x06, then 0x5b, then 0x4f, and 0x66, then 0x6d, okay, 0x7d, 0x07, 0x07, and 0x7f, 0x6f. Okay, now our mapping has been done for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so all this is done. So in void main, so we will declare our variable int. It is int a. Now what is this? That we have declared an integer variable. Okay, a, in which we will store our numbers. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. And you must know about the int data type, that if you will write int and then we will write certain thing, it means that a variable has been declared. Here variable is a, and it can store the integer type data. Int a is equal to 0. Now we have stored 0 in the a. Now we will write trace B is equal to 0. Now what is this thing? Trace B is equal to 0 means that we have declared the whole port B is the output. If we will write 1 here, it means that the whole B port is the input port. So here it is the output port. So trace B is equal to 0. So here again we will write while 1. What is while 1? It is an infinite loop. It means that while main will execute for just one time. But while 1 will execute all these statements again and again that lies within its brackets. And these are the brackets of while 1. So now after this has been done, we'll write for I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Okay. So again, within the while loop, we have written, oh sorry, it is not I, it is A. Now what is this? For A is equal to 0 means that our first our variable will be at 0, then condition will check that either A is less than 10. Yes, A is less than 10 because 0 is less than 10. So it will execute the statement, and after the execution of these statements it will go to A plus plus, means that it will increase by a 1 time. 0 becomes 1. So here we write port B is equal to seg underscore data of A. So here delay underscore millisecond 500. Okay. So this is safe. So yes. Oh, what they said something like this. Either we can write here like this. So what they said, 0x6f, but this found, okay, here for A is equal to 0, this thing, yes, here must be semicolon. Okay, now we will run it out, and here said void found, void main. So what is this? Yes, we have to write semicolon here as well. Now we run it out and write this. We will run it out. We will create a hex file of it, and we can save it out. We can write here 7seg new. So this is the name of the hex file which will be created and will be loaded into the circuit. Again, go to simulide. Here we will write okay, again we will right click on it, load firmware. We will go 7 hex new.hex. We can double click on it. We will run it out, and like this. Now you can see that our PIC controller is now controlling the 7-segment display. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can control a single 7-segment display with that of PIC microcontroller. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.